Hi ladies, it's Dawn and I'm on here today because many of you know that I've been trying to use more IT Cosmetics. I think the brand is so good. It's pretty clean. All their products do double duty. They work as like a skincare product as well as a cosmetic, and I've just been impressed with just about everything I've tried so far. So I wanted to do a get ready with me today, showing you how I would get ready very quickly. It's so simple, so easy, and it's a daytime look that you could take to nighttime. So I'm going to show you that at the end of this video. But first of all, I wanted to show you the two products that are like the superstars today that I haven't shared with you yet. They're the newest products that I've tried from IT Cosmetics, and I'm really wowed. And I have to give a little shout out to Mary Ellen After 60 and Catherine's Life. I think she changed her channel name recently, and I will link it in the description box, Kathy's Life and Beauty, but it will be in there. Check her out. They both love IT Cosmetics and they share products all the time on their channels. And from watching their videos and just seeing how they use them, they've really got me interested in the whole company, see why they've fallen in love with the products. So I'm just going to tell you about the two products that I'm featuring today. So the first product I wanted to show you is the Superhero Mascara. Many of you may have tried this already, but I'm new to it. I had a sample size before and I was impressed with it, so I wanted to get the full size. So I went ahead and purchased the IT Superhero Mascara, and this is what the brush looks like. And I love this brush. It's not huge in relation to my eyes like some of those volumizing mascaras can be, and it has the little bristles on here that just grab hold of every lash, and you can very easily get a very thorough coat of the mascara on your lashes with just one application. It dries down very quickly, so it's super easy to build up as well. I have about 3 coats on now, but it dries almost instantaneously, and you can go over it again and it doesn't clump. It doesn't flake, it doesn't smear. The claim is that it volumizes and lengthens, and I do believe it does that. It also has collagen, biotin, protein, and peptides in the formulation. So that's how it helps improve your lashes as you use it. I'm very impressed with the mascara, and it is probably going to be a new favorite of mine. I'll let you know after I go through the whole tube, but I've been using it about a week now every day, and I'm really enjoying it. And it's summertime and it's hot and I've been sweaty, and it's been fantastic. The next thing is the Superhero Liner, and it also has all the same collagen, biotin, protein, peptides, and it has a hair-like brush, not a felt-like brush, so you can very easily just line your lash line, and again, it dries down, so if you needed to add more, you could build it up and make a more glamorous look. This is probably the easiest liner to work with that I've ever used. I've always been a big fan of the Lancome art liners, but I have to say, application-wise, this one's easier to use. It also has kaolin, K-A-O-L-I-N, clay in the formulation too, which absorbs oil, so that if you have oily skin on your lids up here, the liner will not go anywhere. It claims to be a 24-hour liner and waterproof. And I do believe that. I do use an oil-free makeup remover to remove my makeup. It comes off very easily with that, and I just am very wowed by these two products. So keep on watching. I'm going to show you how I took this look from a daytime look to a nighttime look, super quick, super easy with very minimal products. So here we go. So I have two favorite nude lipsticks that I've been really loving a lot in the past month. And one is by Winky Lux, and this is called Butterscotch. And it looks like this. Look how beautiful that is. And Winky Lux is a clean, mostly clean, pretty clean brand. And I am just in love with the whole company right now. But this Butterscotch lipstick is amazing. And then I have a beautiful one from Estee Lauder that I purchased. And this one is called Naked as Steel. And it is just a gorgeous sort of matte nude color. It has a slight shimmer to it, but they're both sort of a matte when they're on. If you don't like a matte, I do have an option for you, and it is called Caramel Latte, and this one is by Estee Lauder, and it is just the most beautiful shimmery nude. And this is very affordable and very accessible. They all are, actually. You can purchase Estee Lauder wherever Estee Lauder is sold. Winky Lux you can order off of the website and it comes very quickly. And then L'Oreal you can pick up at your drugstore. So for the sake of this video, let's go with the L'Oreal, because if you want to purchase one like this, it will be the easiest and probably the most affordable for you to get. So I'm going to use this one. And it is not a matte, and it is so comfortable. It's a very comfortable formulation. I just love L'Oreal lipsticks. Even whenever I try to go all natural with my lip products, I just cannot stop using L'Oreal. There's something in their lipsticks that make them my favorite. And I really love them a lot. So that's another reason why I wanted to show you this one. But I love these equally. And if you'd like, I can show you some of my favorite nudes, because for someone who has such fair skin like I do, because I think redheads have a unique fair skin. Like blondes can have fair skin and brunettes can have fair skin, but it's just a little different than redheaded fair skin, because redheads do not make melanin. So our skin really lacks that pigment. So we really don't have any of it in our skin pretty much, except where we have freckles. So it's a little bit of a challenge to find lipsticks that work as well on a redhead as they do on other fair-skinned women. So I just find that that has always been a unique problem to myself, where I feel like just because it works for another fair-skinned woman who may have blonde hair or brown hair, it won't work as well on me. So anyway, that's a whole nother video, but I can show you more nudes if you'd like, or more products that are specifically good for women with no pigment in their skin. So anyway, let me know if you'd like to see that. So anyway, let me get this mirror out of the way. So this is the daytime look that I'm gonna wear today, using just the eyeliner and the mascara, a little bit of Naturally Pretty blush, and then a nude lip. And it's all pretty, it's all really good makeup, I think. I think it will last me for hours. It will hold up in the summer heat, and I'll just feel good and confident all day long. Okay, so now I am going to take this look off using my Nude lips with the Superhero liner, Superhero mascara, the Confidence in a Compact foundation. The cheeks are going to stay the same, the Naturally Pretty blush, and I'm going to come back and show you what I would wear for an evening look, and I'll be right back. So I have here the lipstick in It Girl, and it is the most beautiful red. It's a beautiful tomato red that could work any time of year, but it's a great summer red as well. So I'm just gonna put this on and show you how it looks. It says that you don't really, it has like an anti-feather technology in it, so you don't really need to wear a liner with it. So I'm not going to, I'm just gonna put it on as is. So this is how It Girl looks if you wanted to glam your lip up. If I were going to wear it like this, I would most likely have nail polish to match, maybe my toenails. I love to have a face that has very minimal makeup on it when I wear a red lip, because I feel like it looks so European or Parisian when women wear their makeup like this. And if you think that this is a little bright for you, you could also take another color similar to this one, and this is Nude Edition from Soap and Glory, and just put a little of this over it. And I really like this lipstick for that, because this lipstick is very moisturizing and it goes on and it does not feel thick or heavy, and it just sort of mutes the red down a notch, so it's not quite so bright. And this is actually how I prefer to wear it, just with a little muted down and a little more, I don't know, so people aren't staring at my red lips. That's how I like to wear it. My quick, easy get ready with me that you could take from daytime to nighttime, featuring mostly It Cosmetics. And this is going to be a giveaway video. And what I'm going to be giving away this time is duplicates of these products that I used, the Superhero liner and the Superhero mascara. I am so impressed by these two products. When I purchased them, I got them off of QVC and they came in packs of 2, so I purchased it that way so that I can keep one and give one away to you. So I will be picking a winner about a week from when this video goes up. I'll be using random comment picker. So if you want to be entered in this giveaway, just leave me a comment and tell me, say I like It Cosmetics, and if you say that, then I'll know you want to be entered, and I'll be drawing a winner a week from the time it goes up. And best wishes to all of you, and I just want to thank you so much for the time you take to watch my videos and leave me sweet comments and encouragement. It means so much to me. I hope you all have a blessed and beautiful day.